Hi, so today we're going to do a tutorial for the kip up. If you're interested, going to start by stretching out the back. So the technique for this move is relatively simple. Roll onto your back and push through your arms and legs, thrusting your hips. The hardest part of this move is getting started. As it is not a natural move like running or jumping, it can seem very alien at first. With drilling and reps, it becomes more familiar.
Okay, so to work on the power in the kick up, just going to break it down into a drill. Executing this muscle memory and motor skill just on its own will be very, very hard, I believe. It's a little bit like asking you to remember the name of my aunt if nobody has ever told you the name of my aunt. I mean, how are you going to do that, really? So if you do like 2 reps, you get more power, 3 reps, more power, 4 reps, more power. So just start off and it'll just roll into the position with your hands behind your back and just work on the kick. But first you'll just kick up into a bridge. And then as you keep drilling it, you'll start getting more and more power until you feel it, you can kick up enough to get into the full standing position. So just go like that.